Welcome to RPOWER, built to simplify every service moment. Managing your team has never been easier. With RPOWER's employee and user setup, you can create new staff profiles in seconds, assign roles, and set unique passcodes or swipe cards. Every detail, from contact information to payroll IDs, is securely organized in one place. Control is in your hands. Assign jobs like server, bartender, or hostess with flexible pay rates, and configure privileges to match each employee's responsibilities. From check voids to drawer assignments, RPOWER ensures the right people have the right access at the right time. And with built-in time clock and tip tracking, hours, pay, and gratuities are automatically managed with accuracy. That means less admin for you and more focus on delivering great guest experiences. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit rpower.com.